Welcome to Marketing10. This is a series of marketing videos where I will cover a topic in 10 minutes or less. Today, I'm going to be going over YouTube advertising. Now, you can find a YouTube ads tutorial and a free YouTube ads course on my YouTube channel and in the video description. But for this, we're going to go over this pretty quickly, where how you can get started with YouTube ads for your own business. Now, first, you're going to need a Google Ads campaign, and you're also going to need a YouTube channel where you have uploaded, I would recommend at least 2 variations of the video ad you want to run, different times. So you can use 15 seconds, you can use 30 seconds. So I'm going to be creating a campaign today using one 30-second version of my ad and one 15-second version of my advertisement. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back over to our Google Ads account, and where you want to get started when you're running YouTube ads is by going to Tools and Settings and opening up Linked Accounts under Setup. From there, you can link your Google Analytics 4 account, which will allow you to create remarketing audiences. I'm not going to go over that extensively in this video. And you can also link your YouTube channel. So you want to make sure you come in here, click on Details next to YouTube, and then you're able to link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. You can see right here, I have my beachfront decor YouTube channel linked to my Google Ads account, which allows me to see a lot of more information as I'm running campaigns. So that's where you want to get started. And from there, the next thing you want to do is make sure you're using conversion tracking. So coming back over to our Google Ads account, when you go to Tools and Settings, under Measurement, you can click on Conversions, and that will open up your conversion actions. So you can see here, I have a purchase conversion actions that I just uploaded to my account using my Google Analytics 4 account. So I have this event as a conversion in Google Analytics 4. I imported it directly into my Google Ads account, and now I can create video campaigns that optimize for this conversion action. So once we have conversion tracking set up, we are ready to start and create our campaign. So we're going to come over here and we're going to come to the campaign screen for our account, and we're going to click Create a Campaign. We're going to create a new campaign. Now, if you have conversion tracking running, what you want to do is make sure that you choose an objective of sales or leads. So in my case, I'm going to try to drive sales. So we're going to choose sales as my objective, and my conversion goal is going to be purchases. So we're going to remove book appointments as a goal. So we're going to choose purchases and click on continue. Next will be our campaign type. So in this case, we're going to choose video. We're going to reach and engage viewers on YouTube and across the web, and we're going to click on continue. So now as we create our campaign, what you want to do first is name your campaign based on what you're trying to promote. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose our bid strategy. So we have 2 options here: maximize conversions or target CPA. With target CPA, you're able to set how much you're willing to pay or how much you would like to pay for every conversion that you drive. So your target CPA is a target cost per action. So if a conversion for my business is worth, let's say $50, then I might want to set a target CPA of $20. And over time, what we want to do is drive this price down. So we'll use target CPA and we'll choose $20 as our target cost per action. Next is going to be your budget and date. So when you want your campaign to start and end, whether or not you want to use a daily budget or a campaign total budget. So let's just say I want to use a daily budget and I want to run this at $50 per day, and we'll run it for a week. So we have a $50 daily budget. If you want to have this as a monthly budget, then take your daily budget, multiply it by 30, and that will give you an idea of how much you're going to spend for the month. Or you can take your monthly budget, divide it by 30, and set that as your daily budget to have a set spend every single month. So we're going to scroll down here, and next is going to be networks. So with this case, we're going to be across all networks: YouTube search results, videos, and video partners on the display network. Next will be your location targeting. So you want to select the locations that your business serves. After that will be our language targeting. You want to select the languages your customers speak. Now, content exclusions, what we can do is use different types of inventory: expanded, standard, and limited. I'm going to keep mine as standard. If you want to avoid sensitive content, choose limited. Now, next is going to be excluded types and labels. So one thing you can do is exclude content suitable for families and general audiences, because what that's going to maybe sometimes bring up are kids' videos. So you can exclude these, and then you're going to be in PG, teen, mature. And then you can also exclude embedded YouTube videos and live streaming videos if you want. So we're just going to choose these as our excluded types and labels. We're going to collapse that here. Next, for assets, what you want to do is add site links to your advertisement. So let's just say I want to add these 2 site links to my video advertisement. 4 or more is recommended, so I would recommend creating 4 site links here. Now, under additional settings, you can choose your device targeting, so you can choose specific targeting for devices, and you can also choose frequency capping to say, I want to make sure that the same person doesn't view my ad more than 3 times in a given day. So some different options you have as far as targeting. Now we're going to be creating our ad group. So I could spend all day on audience targeting, but if we're going to create an audience, what you want to see here is you can create custom segments. So if we come over here to browse, you can create a new custom segment, and you could do people who search for any of these terms on Google, enter your keyword list here, depending on what it is you're promoting, name your segment, click on save, and you can start targeting that segment with your advertisements. You can also incorporate your data. So your data would be any of your remarketing audiences that you have. So you can see here I have some different website visitor audiences. And then in addition to your website visitor audiences, you can target similar segments, YouTube users. So you can target people, this would be YouTube ads retargeting. You can target people who have previously interacted with your business. The other thing you can do is add in-market segments, life events. So what you can do is just do a quick search here depending on what you're promoting. So if you're promoting investing, you can enter investing. If you're promoting golf clubs, you could type golf clubs. So whatever it is that you're promoting, you can search for that here. Now in my case, I'm going to be running a Halloween sale. So we'll do holiday items and decorations. And then I can also use some of my custom segments. We'll do Halloween beach decor. So I can choose these as my audience. I would recommend using custom segments because they're going to give you the best targeting possible. But in this case, these are 2 good audiences, so we'll click on save. You can also use exclusions, and you can incorporate demographic targeting as well. I'm just going to leave my campaign wide open. Okay, so we have our audience targeting here. We're going to use optimized targeting, which will use our audience, our landing page, and our assets to find more people who are likely to convert. So we're going to use optimized targeting as well. Now to create our YouTube video ad, what you need to do is upload your ad first to YouTube, and then we just copy the link for that YouTube video and you paste it right here, and it will pull in your YouTube video. Next, you need to enter your final URL, so your landing page where you're going to be sending traffic to. So I'm going to send traffic to this landing page with a bunch of beach Halloween decorations that people can easily purchase. So this is going to be my landing page for where I'm sending traffic to. So we're going to come back over to our campaign and enter this as our final URL. You can set a display URL. You can choose a call to action from the dropdown. I'm going to choose shop now. Then you need a headline, which is 15 characters, a long headline, which is 90 characters, and a description line, which is 70 characters. After that, you can upload a companion banner, which is 300 by 60 pixels. So it's going to be 300 by 60. So you can see when you upload 300 by 60, I already have this one uploaded. So we're going to choose that as our companion banner. Now I'm going to go ahead and type out my ad copy. Okay, so I entered my ad copy, my headline, my long headline, and my description. We have our companion banner. We have our ad name. So when we come down here to ad creation, you're going to see we have 1 ad. So what I can do is I can duplicate this. So now we have our second ad, and all I need to do is remove this video. We can come back over here and we can take one of our 15-second versions. We're going to copy this link address. We're going to paste it here. And now we have our second YouTube video here. We have our final URL. We have the same call to action, headline, long headline, description line. We have our companion banner. We have ad number 2. So now we're ready to launch our campaign. So when we click on create campaign, we now have a campaign that's going to be showing the 2 advertisements. So this one here and this one down here, 2 people on YouTube based on our targeting. So people who have an interest in beach Halloween decor and people who have shown some level of interest in buying Halloween decorations. We're using target CPA to try to drive sales for our business. And we're going to be driving traffic directly to this landing page where we have a ton of different products for sale. So this is how YouTube advertising works. It's a very basic overview. You want to make sure you're using conversion tracking. You want to make sure you link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. And if you link your Google Analytics 4 account, you can also start incorporating some different retargeting audiences for your website. So if you have any questions about how to create a YouTube advertising campaign, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.